Hi, this video will show you how to use the Class Finder tool to search for classes at Nashville State Community College. From the main nscc.edu homepage, go to Academics at the top and then click Class Schedule. Then click Go to Class Finder. This will take you to a complete list of all the courses offered in the current term. You can change which term you would like to view by using the Term filter box at the bottom of the screen. You can also use keywords to search for a course by name. When you click Search, the list will change to only show courses that have a matching keyword in their title. You can also narrow your search down more by using the other filter boxes. For instance, the Subject filter box to filter by subject. The Instruction Method filter will allow you to return only courses that are offered in particular modalities. For instance, if you only wanted to see courses offered online, courses offered virtually on Zoom, or on-campus courses. The Campus filter narrows the search to only show courses offered at a particular campus. Finally, the Term Part filter allows you to narrow the search to only show courses offered in the first 7 weeks, the second 7 weeks, or in the full 15-week term. Lastly, know that you can use the arrows at the top of each column in the table to change the sort order. For instance, you can click on the arrow at the top of the subject column to show courses by subject in alphabetical or reverse alphabetical order. The same with the course title column. It is in alphabetical order by default, but if you reverse the direction of the triangle, it will be in reverse alphabetical order. You can also use the arrow at the top of the instructional method column to sort courses by the instructional method first, or by part of term, by campus, and etc. If you need help choosing courses that fit your needs, please contact your advisor for assistance.